Linux Mint has a reputation for being simple, but simplicity can hide a lot of clever engineering. Under the calm, familiar desktop are small tools and behaviors that quietly make daily computing smoother. Many people use Mint for years and never realize these features are there. Today we're going to explore 10 hidden features in Linux Mint 22 that you should absolutely start using. None of these require advanced Linux knowledge, and once you know they exist, they can genuinely improve the way you use your system. Let's start with something most users overlook completely: Panel Edit Mode. If you right-click on the bottom panel and enable Panel Edit Mode, the panel becomes fully customizable. You can drag system icons, rearrange applets, move the menu button, or even reorganize the entire panel layout. Instead of adjusting your workflow around the desktop, you can shape the desktop around the way you actually work. Once you start experimenting with this, Linux Mint feels much more personal. Another powerful feature hiding in plain sight is the window tiling system. When you drag a window to the left or right side of the screen, Mint automatically snaps it into place. This makes multitasking much faster. But there is an even quicker way. You can hold the Super key and press the arrow keys to snap windows instantly. When you are comparing documents or editing video while researching, this shortcut becomes incredibly useful. Now let's talk about Workspaces. This feature is surprisingly underused. Press Ctrl, Alt, and the up arrow, and you will see the Workspace overview. Each workspace acts like a separate desktop. You can keep one workspace for editing, another for browsing, and another for communication apps. It keeps your screen organized and reduces the chaos of too many windows. Linux Mint also includes a clever safety system built into the Update Manager. Before important system updates, Mint can automatically create a snapshot using Timeshift. Think of it as a restore point for your entire system. If anything ever goes wrong after an update, you can roll your system back to a working state within minutes. This is one of the reasons Linux Mint is known for stability. Another extremely practical feature lives inside the Nemo file manager: batch file renaming. If you select multiple files, right-click, and choose Rename, Mint lets you rename all of them at once using patterns and numbering. Next comes Desklets. Desklets are small widgets that sit directly on your desktop. They show weather, system information, notes, or clocks. They're lightweight and customizable, and they provide useful information without opening extra applications. There's also a feature called Hot Corners that many users never notice. Inside System Settings, you can assign actions to each corner of the screen. For example, moving your mouse to a corner can show all open windows, display workspaces, or run a custom command. It becomes a very fast way to navigate your desktop. Another hidden productivity trick is the search power of the Mint menu. Most people think of the menu only as an application launcher, but it is also a system search tool. You can start typing the name of a setting, an app, or even a recently opened file, and Mint will instantly find it. It turns the menu into a command center for your entire system. Linux Mint also includes a built-in system reports tool. If something goes wrong, like a driver problem or software crash, the System Reports utility collects diagnostic information and presents it in a simple interface. Instead of hunting through complex logs, you get a clear explanation of what happened and sometimes even suggestions for fixing it. Finally, there is a subtle feature that keeps the desktop running smoothly. Cinnamon automatically adjusts visual effects when the system is under heavy load. This means animations and graphics scale back when necessary, so the system stays responsive. It's a small design decision, but it helps Mint feel consistently smooth, even on modest hardware. These hidden features show the philosophy behind Linux Mint. The goal is not flashy gimmicks. The goal is thoughtful design that quietly improves everyday computing. Once you start using these tools, the desktop becomes faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable to work with. Linux has always rewarded curiosity. The more you explore, the more useful things you discover just beneath the surface. And Linux Mint 22 is full of those little discoveries.